In this video, I'll go through how to coach yourself or how to do mindset work or thought work. They're all the same thing, and it's basically all about how we can bring awareness to our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions. And that will make us so much happier because it will make us feel more in control of our lives. Because we are more in control of our lives when we understand that we can actually decide what we want to think. And based on that, what will be our feelings? I like to think about self-coaching as something that is a continuous practice. You're never done with coaching yourself. You're never done with, being happier or finding new ways or understanding more about yourself. So it's like going to the gym. It's not like if you've been going to the gym for 1 year, you're done and you don't need to do anything more for the rest of your life. No, you need to do it every day to keep it up. The same thing with self-coaching. It's like cleaning out your brain. It's like putting order in your brain. It's like practicing, exercising that muscle, that happiness muscle or that thought work muscle. So you need to do it often. I've been doing self-coaching for the last 3 years, and in the beginning I used to do it every day. Nowadays I do it a few times a week when I feel the need for it. So the first thing you need to do regarding self-coaching is to get a notebook. This is my self-coaching notebook, and I love to have one single place where I put all my notes. In the beginning, I advise you to do it as often as possible. I used to do it in the morning, every morning. I still do it in the morning, but not every day. So I used to do it for about 1.5 years. I did it every morning when I woke up. Before my kids woke up, so that I have some 10 minutes on my own just to sit down and write my thoughts and do my self-coaching. You can do it less often than that, but then it will take longer for you to get into the habit of coaching yourself. So decide on when you want to do your self-coaching. Some people like to do it in the evening, some people during lunch break. As I said, I prefer to do it in the morning because then I have my mind is kind of fresh and I'm not that tired. But you can do it anytime you like during the day, but make it a habit to do it during a specific time of the day. So at the time that you have decided ahead of time, and with your notebook that you have bought ahead of time, you sit down and you write down all the thoughts that are in your head. For me, it sometimes takes 20 minutes to really write down everything that is bothering me, or everything that I'm annoyed by, or everything that disturbs me somehow. I write that down. That is the brain dump. Once you have done that, read through what you wrote and pick one thought. When I do the analysis, I use a model by Brooke Castillo from the Life Coach School. It's just one of several different models that there are out there on how to analyze your thought, how to really divide it into what is actually the facts, which are your thoughts, which are your feelings, and then consequently, which are the actions and the results in the world related to this. So I have a thought in my head that is, my husband doesn't care about me. I'm just making this up, okay? So the thought is, my husband doesn't care about me because he forgot my birthday and didn't give me a birthday present, and he didn't, wake me up with flowers on the bed or with breakfast on bed. Okay, so that is the thought in my head. What is the fact actually? Is it that he doesn't care about me? Well, the fact that could be proven in a court of law is that he forgot my birthday. So that is the circumstance, which is what you write on the first line in your notebook. And then you write down your thought about that. What is the thought? He forgot my birthday, and what am I thinking? Yeah, I'm thinking that he doesn't love me, that he doesn't care about me. What is my feeling? The feeling in my body when I think that? Well, it is, I'm unloved. Based on that feeling, what is the action that I'm creating in the world, and what is the result of that? So those are the two last steps. The action that I'm creating is that I'm avoiding my husband. And the result, what will that be? That I don't care about my husband. Which actually brings us to the same as in the beginning, because my thought was that he doesn't care about me, and the result that I have created in my life is that I don't care about him. Maybe due to a misinterpretation of his behavior, most probably, because all of this, except for the fact that he forgot my birthday, everything else is what happened in my head. I have control over all of the different steps except for the first thing, which is the fact. Everything else, my thought, my feeling, my action, and the result that I create, that is all up to me. I can create that myself. There's nobody else involved in that. It's just me. You see how powerful this is? Because based on one single circumstance or fact, I can decide for myself what I want to think, what I want to feel, how I want to react, and what result I want to create in the world. A quick recap. So the first step is to get a notebook. The second step is to decide when during the day you will coach yourself and to commit to that. The third step is to carry out the work, to do the brain dump and to do the analysis of your thoughts. Please comment below and let me know if your husband has ever forgot your birthday. I would love to hear that. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you found this useful, please enable the notifications so that you get notified every time I release a new video on how to get more time in your life, how to manage your mind, and how to become happier overall. I send you lots of love. Have a wonderful day.